Come closer. Did you know your dog can talk to you right now? So can birds, cats, and even bees. They don't use any words, but they're sending messages all day long. Want to learn their secret language? Let's go find out. Hi friends, I'm Alice. Today we're going on a little adventure to discover how animals send messages to each other without ever saying a single word. This is one of my favorite topics because once you learn it, you'll start noticing it everywhere. Today we will learn 3 amazing ways animals talk. First, how animals use sounds. Second, how animals use their bodies to show feelings. And third, how some animals send secret messages using smells and even dances. Let's start with sounds. Many animals talk by making noises. A dog barks, a cat meows, and a bird sings. These sounds are like little messages animals send to each other, just like we use our voices to talk to our friends. But here's the interesting part. Different sounds mean different things. A loud bark might mean, watch out, something is here. A soft chirp might mean, hello, I'm over here. Animals choose their sounds carefully, just like we choose our words. Think about your own pet or animals you've seen outside. A dog barking at the mail carrier is sending a message. Someone is here. Birds singing in the morning might be saying, good morning, this is my tree. Now let's look at another important idea. Animals don't just use sounds. They also talk with their bodies. This is called body language. Body language means using movements to show how an animal feels. For example, a dog might be wagging its tail, raising its ears, or even puffing up its fur. Watching these movements helps us understand if an animal is happy, curious, or maybe even a little scared. When a dog wags its tail fast, it often feels happy and excited. But when a cat's tail flicks quickly back and forth, it might mean the cat feels annoyed or unsure. It's a bit like how we use our faces to show feelings. When you smile, people know you're happy. When you frown, people know something is wrong. Animals use their bodies the same way. There's one more important thing to discover. Some animals send messages in a totally different way. Using smells, this is called scent marking. It's like leaving a tiny invisible note behind. Many animals leave behind a special smell to tell others, I was here, or this is my space. It's a secret message just for them. But one of the most surprising animal communicators is the honeybee. When a bee finds yummy flowers, it flies back to its hive and does a special waggle dance. This dance tells other bees exactly which direction to fly and how far away the flowers are. Isn't that amazing? Next time you see a dog wag its tail, a cat flick its tail, or a bee buzzing near some flowers, remember, they might just be having a whole conversation right in front of you. Animals are amazing, aren't they? Today we learned that animals talk with sounds, body language, and even secret messages like dances. If you want to learn more about the amazing ways bees talk, explore our bee series next. Curiosity leads the way. Thanks for exploring with me today. Keep watching the animals around you. See you next time, curious friends. Bye.
Welcome to Mini Docs for Kids, where curiosity leads the way.